Yes, my fan, welcome back one more day in our kitchen, is it? Yeah, man, I have a whole lot of chicken on my table right now, is it? I'm clean it up right now. So I say, I'm gonna do a pineapple roast chicken today in my kitchen, so that's one tune in. So yeah, my fans, I cut the chicken from the back, is it? So I clean it out right now. Just one tune in and watch how I have to make sure your chicken clean out properly, is it? Slice it from the back, that means you already get a nice cut. So when the end tray it's gonna look beautiful. So just clean it up right now. So make sure so all of the ear them and dead skin them everything come off, is it? I'm finished when I use some lemon and vinegar to clean it up proper. Make sure you wash it and clean them properly, is it? So just go and tune in and watch what I want on the channel. If you don't subscribe, remember subscribe, it's free of cost, is it? Like and share, is it? So yeah, my fans, wash up and clean up. Wash it with lemon and vinegar, is it? Clean up the skin them, clean off all of the hair them properly, is it? So remember me split it from the back as well, so when I done so I go on. So right now I start up the seasoning up right now. Just pop off a little bit more of the fat here, is it? So just go and tune in and watch what I go on, is it? So I'm showing all I seasoning up and I drop on it. Yeah, I have a teaspoon of black pepper over here, so is it? I have a variety of season over here, so from Jamaican seasons as well, is it? I have some chicken season over here, so I have a tablespoon of it. Over here, so I have a teaspoon of all purpose. I have a next tablespoon of all purpose over here. So you see it? Season to the bone seasoning over here. So all I season I use black pepper and everything, I combine it up. So I just want to go and tune in. I just want to combine it up and start the seasoning up, you see it? So yeah, finish season right now. So I'm gonna put in a container right now, wash off my hand, clean off the table and come back to it. Yeah, my fans, well seasoned up, is it? I have a pot over here upon the fire. I have some garlic peg, a piece of onion, and some scallion, is it? Some pineapple over here, so yeah, my fans, I just want to go and tune in and watch how I deal with my thing. I have a pot on the fire right now over here, so you see it? I just make it warm up and then I throw some oil in there, so when the process kick off. Yeah, man, the thyme and the onion and everything, the garlic, them are burn out right now. So I'm gonna drop in the chicken right now. So just go and tune in, watch what I go on, is it? Yeah, man, check on it right now, you see it? Now have the fire pan medium as well, so you don't want it too high. You just want it from the oil warm up. You just want to after that you turn it down, you see it? So now turn it on now. Same treatment again, you see it? So yeah, my fans, my pineapple now, I just peel up right now, using my sauce as well. Just go and tune in and watch what I got. Yeah, my fans, I get a good half an hour, you see it? So I transfer it now in the oven. Turn on the oven so it's pre-warm as ready, you see it? So right now, I just drop it in a baking tray, so just go and tune in. Fans, then I baking tray now. So I drop it in the oven. You see, I give about 20 minutes. I have it for 160 degrees. I give about 20 minutes and then I start putting the sauce. So let's go and tune in. I show you how I make my sauce too as well. Yeah? I cut off a piece of the pineapple now, so I blend that out. I'm going to throw some water on it, so just tune in. Yeah, my fans, finish right now, blend out the pineapple, you see it? So more just the juice now, so just try. Strain it off right now, so just tune in. Yeah, man, so the sauce me I deal with right now, you see it? So the pineapple juice, we have to go and boil out for a little bit, and then I'll come back to it. So just go and chew. My fans, pineapple juice, boil up now. So I have some sweet chili, I'm gonna put in there, you see it? I'm gonna put about 4 tablespoons. Got some ketchup as well, I'm gonna put some on it as well. I'll throw some water on the ketchup because it was also a little bit leave. So yeah, my fans, right now some of the seasoning I did have me mix up over here, so I'm gonna tip a little bit in here too as well. So yeah, but just let this combine together and I'll give it one next 5 minutes but it can go and boil up. So just go and tune in. So yeah, my fans, take it out of the oven. You can see I put a few little bits on it, is it? Pineapple on it to just make it look nice. So yeah, start put on sauce now. So far in our oven, you gone about 25 minutes so far. You get me? So you don't know with the frying as well, it was about 25 minutes. So I'm gonna give about our next half an hour in our oven. Right now I'm turning the oven a little bit more. So I'm just making go and soak up right now and taking all of these nice sauces. Is it? Yeah, my fan, the finishing touch right there, looking so delicious, smells so nice. Wow, the pineapple flavor, oh my days. I hate, man. Very beautiful. If you don't subscribe to your channel, remember subscribe, is it? Yes, my fans.